TipLearns.
Hello everybody and welcome to TipLearns. This is a new show that's going to be documenting the experience I'm having during a pretty exciting new part of my life. I applied to do a master's degree at university and got accepted yesterday, which is really exciting. For those who don't know what that means, maybe you're not from the UK, maybe you haven't done university. Essentially, if you go into higher education in the UK, you do an undergraduate degree, which is sort of your standard university degree, takes 3 years, and you get a undergrad degree in whatever it is you've studied. If you want to take that a bit further, you can do a master's or postgraduate degree, and if you want to take it another step further, you can do your doctorate. I'm doing my master's or postgraduate degree now. It's in digital media practice at the University of Winchester. And like I said, I got the news yesterday. So I thought I'd start off a new sort of vlog series that may or may not replace Tip Walks in the future and just explain a little bit about what this means for the channel, what this means for uploads, and what this means for the content going forward. So hopefully in the short term, this isn't really going to affect the channel much at all. You'll still be getting your video every week, every Friday like you usually do. And up until the course starts in September, there's not really going to be any content that I can make. Other than getting things like the reading list early, there's not going to be that many updates. However, in the long term, when this course does start, it does mean that I may have to adapt my upload schedule in order to compensate for the extra work that I'm going to be doing during the degree. Hopefully, however, this means that I can use some of that stuff that I do create for my degree on TipTut as well, whether that's creating tutorials on the things that I've made in the lessons, or whether that's analyses of resources that I've been given, you know, books, online tutorials, that sort of thing, or whether it's just documenting my experience of the whole thing, my thoughts and feelings, any interesting facts I learned that I think might be useful to other designers, that sort of thing. Hopefully it's going to be a really great experience for myself and you guys as well. And like I said, it shouldn't affect too much on the channel, other than there may be the occasional missed video in terms of tutorials and stuff, if I find that the workload is a bit too much. Hopefully I can duplicate though, like I said. So in the short term, not really much to change. I just wanted to share this exciting news with you guys, and make sure that you keep an eye on the playlist I'm going to make called TipLearns on the channel, and that's going to be like my series documenting this whole process. I'm really excited. Hopefully this means good things to come, and hopefully it'll help us grow on our way to becoming better designers, building TipTut into a larger channel, and just generally learning more, which is what we're all here to do. So thank you very much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you all next time on TipLearns.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.